Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be working on this 2018 Dodge Ram 1500 two-wheel drive, single cab of course, and we're going to be doing a 2.4 Belltech drop. The kit includes front springs, rear springs, sway bar brackets, and panhard bracket. We're also going to be doing the alignment, so let's get to it. Alright guys, we went ahead and installed our Belltech springs as you can see, and the yellow bump stops which come included with the kit. One of the great benefits of using these 2-inch drop springs is that it gives you a smooth ride, but it also doesn't kick out your front wheels like spindles do. So this is going to still be riding like factory, very comfortable, but it keeps your wheels flush with your rear wheels. A very neat feature of the Belltech kit. Now for the back, it's pretty straightforward. You're going to get new sway bar end links and also the panhard relocation bracket, which is there. Very important to keep everything nice and tight, smooth when you're going down the road. Sway bar is straight like it's supposed to be from the factory, and everything has been bolt on. We have not done any cutting of any sort, and all you need is the springs and bump stops, which I will show you next. So there it is, the rear bump stops and rear springs. For the bump stop, literally is just pop out the original one, push in the new one, and you are set. The only cutting that I forgot to mention is the front bump stop does have to be cut off. That is the only cutting that is done in this entire kit. Other than that, it's 100% bolt on. Now that the drop kit has been installed, you will need a professional alignment. We are blessed enough to offer professional alignments here in-house. So not only do our customers benefit from having a smooth ride, but also having their vehicle go straight down the road. Installing great parts allow you to have a great alignment, and Belltech is no different. So this is the end result of the 2.4 drop kit. You can always buy this kit directly from our website at www.reklez.com. We offer free shipping to the lower 48 states. So this gives you a great idea of what a 2.4 drop kit will look like on a 2009 to 2018 Dodge Ram. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, feel free to call us directly to our shop line at area code 832-770-4366. We'll be happy to help you with any prices or technical questions you may have. Like always, thank you for supporting our channel. God bless. Have a great day.